It's a 2016 Honda Pilot. Style runs in the family, and watch the family run to pile into this roomy Pilot. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. V6 engine, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto dimming rear view mirror, heated steering wheel, power heated mirrors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver points out, the Pilot might not be fun to drive in the thrilling sense, but knowing that you made a rational, intelligent choice is fun in its own right. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.